Hello guys, welcome back again. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize a radio button. And as you can see guys, I have already opened up our last project. And in this project we have two radio buttons inside a radio group. Although we have discussed all these things in our last video. So if you haven't watched that video, watch that first. Then you can continue watching this one. Anyway, my name is Subhajit and I make videos on Android app development. So guys, if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to align these buttons vertically. So I just need to change the orientation horizontal to vertical. Now in case if you want to show this circular icon to the right side of the text, you can add layout direction attribute on radio button like this. Then type RTL, means right to left. And the default layout direction is LTR. By the way guys, here you can see the changes. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to change this default icon so that we can use our own icons, right? So let's create a selector drawable. Right click on the drawable, then new drawable resource file. Let's name it custom icon. Then as the root element, we are using selector. Now inside this selector tag, we can set different icons for the different states of our radio button. So angle bracket, item, then state, and these are all the available states we can use here. But for now, we are going to use state checked only, because this is the key state of a radio button or a checkbox. So let's add state checked. Then here we have to pass either true or false. So I'm going to pass true. Then Android drawable. Wait, we haven't added any icons yet. So let's add an icon now. Actually, I have designed two icons and also exported them on my desktop as an SVG format. But I haven't imported them in our project yet. So let's see how to import an SVG icon from the desktop or from the local drive. So right click on the drawable, then new vector asset. Now select the local file option, then browse from here. Now we can specify a size, let's say 24 by 24 dp. Then next, finish. Let's add another icon very quickly. Okay, now we can set an icon for state check true. At drawable, IC checked state. Then close the tag. Now let's add another item for unchecked state. So I'm going to duplicate this line, then change the state checked value true to false. That means the unchecked state. Let's also set a different icon for this state. IC unchecked state. Perfect. Now we can set this drawable on our radio buttons. And for that, we have to use button attribute. So Android button, then add drawable custom icon. Let's copy this line, then place here also. And here you can see our custom icons for different states. Now I will add some spaces in between this text and this icon. So I will use padding right or padding end. But if your icon is on the left side of the text, then you should use padding left or padding start. Anyway, let's set this to 12 dp. Let's do the same thing for our second button also. You can actually use a lot of attributes to design a good UI. Like you can use font family to set a good looking font. Also you can use text style to make the text bold or italic. And these are all actually text view related attributes. So I'm not going to add all the attributes one by one, but you can of course use them. Anyway, I'm going to build the project now. And here is our custom icon. So I think now you can use your own icons for the radio buttons. There's still few more things, like we can set null value over here just to hide the icons if you want to. Also you can create another selector drawable for the background like this one. And here I'm using two items also for two different states, checked and unchecked. Also I've created a rectangular shape inside each item tag. And this drawable is pretty similar as compared to our custom icon drawable. Anyway, now we can set this drawable as the background. Android background, at drawable BG radio button. Now we can add some padding on each side. Padding left or start, let's say 12 dp. Then padding bottom 4 dp. Padding top 4 dp also. Now let's add some margin to the bottom. So layout margin bottom, let's say 8 dp. Okay, now I'm going to copy these attributes and paste here. Perfect. Now I'm going to add two more radio buttons. We can also align this entire radio buttons group to the center. So just add layout center in parent, true, because parent layout is the relative layout. Anyway, I'm going to build this project now. And guys, this is how our custom radio buttons are look like. So I think I have shown you almost everything that you should implement for your radio buttons. So if you still have any questions or suggestions, then please drop them in the comment section. And if you feel this video helped you a little bit, hit the like button and please do subscribe for more contents. So that's all for today guys. See you soon in the next one.